Hey, welcome back to another Pancho things. So I'm here in the refuge. I was able to do another walk on. I literally just set up. I literally had time to throw my decoys in there and shoot it like about 10 minutes. So I'm gonna finish to arrange. I'm sitting in water. On an edge. Well, hopefully I don't flood my back and all that stuff. So shooting lights here. Let's get started. Got some dogs down in front of me. It's a gorgeous morning, and the birds are flying really fast because of the wind. That looks like a whole bunch of geese coming this way. A whole cloud of them. Oh, at least I got some of the babies right. Oh, look at those dogs up there. Some massive birds up there. So there is a cold front and a south wind right now. The wind's supposed to be northeast. So the few birds that came, they were holy. So I didn't even have a chance to see what they were. The things just came out like from nowhere. But the reason why I set up in the way that I set up is because I have a lot of room to move if I need to. So let's see. Hey! Hey! First bird down. We got us a Rudy duck. Thank you, bird. All right, we're on the board with a Rudy, but we're on the board. Let's see if we can get something else. Yeah. Freezing my butt. Literally seeing no water. Oh well. Oh, how am I gonna do to find this bird? I just downed a bird right here. Hopefully I can find it in this mess. Yeah, it's gonna suck. Some sticky stuff. There's no way you're in this spot. There it is. There's more. It's a gorgeous green. That's a gorgeous shot too. Two in the board. As the camera was off, I'm gonna explain how the teal came. There were like 5 of them. Did a little circle there, and one opens up towards the decoys, and he's flipped, and I hit him on the turn, and he landed quite down that way. Boys, stick it down there. 2 down. So we got a Rudy, and we have a green winged-teal. Yeah, baby. Let's go. Look at this guy. Wow. It's a gorgeous bird. So I got a thermocell that came in a couple of days ago, and today's the first time that I'm using it. And wow, this thing is amazing. I haven't got a mosquito even get close to me. Yeah. So there's tons of clouds, and it's kind of difficult to see what is flying high and see if you can call them in. So comment down below when it's this cloudy if I have issues seeing them. I guess that they will have issues seeing my spread, correct? I'm just guessing. If I can see them, they probably can see the spread. But the wind has died down a little. I might have to move the Mojo to a different position because the wind already changed. It's gorgeous. It's gorgeous out here. And kind of cold. 2 birds in. Hopefully we can connect to some more birds though. That'll be good. Those cranes make some crazy horrible noises. That thing sounds like a broken car. Let's see what happens. I have to move the Mojo. The wind changed. Yikes, I miss those terribly, but they did like the spread. I was leading a little bit far out. I was leading too much. And I think I popped up kinda late. So, oh boy. I need somebody that can come along with me and teach me some stuff because there's some stuff that I have my own view on it, but that doesn't mean that it's correct. Let's see. Let's see what's going on. They're working. They like the spread. They're not committing. They're circling. There they are. They landed literally like 300-400 yards out that way. But that tells me that working them, the letting them work and calling and the spread is working. Now it's just being picky. I'll take that. So yeah, it died down, and I decided to come home. And then I got home and I started doing the laundry and cleaning up and doing the house chores, and I completely forgot to close the video. So here we are, it's the next day, and let's do this. So after all, it was a great day. I had a lot of higher expectations because we had a beautiful cold front coming through, and as you clearly can see, there was a lot of wind. Even that through the day, there were spots where the wind died down and then picked right back up and died down and picked right back up. But it was constantly changing directions, and it was kind of tricky. But I was sitting in water. It was kind of challenging because my chair will like just dive in. I was sitting just knee high in water, but it was fun. It was kind of cold too. I wouldn't say cold. It was just super breezy. So that was kind of interesting to work on. The few birds that came and took a look, I missed a couple, and I got the group of teal that we downed one of them, and then I had Rudy, and that was about it. There wasn't that much bird flying, and then when I got out of there, there was a couple of hunters that I came across, and I talked to them, and pretty much everybody was having these higher expectations, but birds decided not to fly, so I guess that is just part of it, and it is what it is. One of the major problems is that refuge, you can hunt on Saturdays, and because on Saturdays I'm working, I can only hunt on Sundays and Wednesdays. And I think that the problem was that once they get that amount of pressure on Saturday, Sundays they're really skeptical to do certain things. So I think that was what's going on. Also, I don't know if other hunters in other areas of California are experiencing the same thing, but pretty much right now, all the birds that we're putting down are local birds. There's no, we haven't get a group pattern of migration. So those birds are already, they're aware of what's going on and what's happening. So it's kind of tricky to try to get them to, or decoy, or give you a close pass by. They have seen every decoy in Mojo known to man, so it's kind of difficult to actually get them to take a closer look to you. Spread worked, calling worked. If you guys know anything about it, I think I mentioned it in the video. When it's super cloudy and you logically cannot see those birds that are flying super high, can they see the spread? Or is the limitations of view is ours only, and they actually have a better field of view than we do? Or is equally, if we can see them, they can see us? Comment down below if that's the case. I don't know, I'm just guessing. As I said, I'm learning as I'm going, and just it is what it is. So, well, that's all I got for you today, guys. Like and subscribe. That's the only way that you guys can support me to keep doing these videos, either hunting or music, or whatever case might be. So like and subscribe. Comment down below if you have any questions or anything like that, and I will see you in the next one. Pancho out.